my right goes.
What is your right? Right to be elected uncontested.
But that is law provides for that.
Your right.
Law provides for that also.
This is a type of competition. You cannot expect that nobody is going to compete with you.
Article 222 says extraordinary power in extraordinary situation that was said by the Supreme Court.
It's a question of fact.
No disputed question of fact, the basic fact.
I say there was no obstruction. I, for the time being, presume that is wrongly rejected. Law take his own course. 9370 is clearly.
This is not wrong. This is deliberate. Wrong is something else. This is deliberate.
If deliberate wrong is also wrong.
No, deliberation is not wrong.
That has to be decided by a court of law. But if you lordships kindly
let us participate, let them go to court.
There was a report that the governor has not accepted the joining letter or something.
I don't think there is any such, whether the election has been stalled or the election commissioner is not going to remain. These are all speculations. They will always be there, Your Lordship.
Very well.
The election process is still on.
Very well. Yes. Now, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Yes, Milord, the point is very short. We had, Milord, submitted our nomination paper. Pursuant an order of the court, police escort was given, nomination was accepted, and our party symbol was allotted. Then on final list, names were taken out. On the very same ground, yesterday, my Lord considered the matter in detail and passed an order. I will be praying the similar order. Election cannot be frustrated in such a manner. Where the order of the court for police protection is required for the purpose of filing nomination. And when nomination is filed, then ultimately you say it is beyond the time. It's your fault, not my fault. I had been there within the time period. You could not complete the process on your own. Therefore, I cannot be debarred from participating in the election and get somebody advantage of stealing march over me saying I have been declared uncontested.
Very well. Yes, the commission.
I have no instruction, Your Lordship.
Yesterday's order is there and the prayer is that same order may be passed.
Again, Your Lordship, my very respectful and humble submissions before Your Lordship is that the election process is set in. Nominations are over. Candidate list published. Your jurisdiction does not have.
Yes, your submission is also same as was made yesterday.
That after the starting of election process, and scrutiny is over, all are election dispute, and the same shall be decided by the election dispute. And in the High Court also, if my Lord can take up this matter, I have to be given opportunity of filing affidavit in opposition relating to deny his contention.
You file affidavit in opposition so as to frustrate his claim to contest the election.
He is my Lord of his case. There is no case. His case without making an election petition.
Very well.
93C.
So far I am concerned, my Lord, rightly, wrongly, nomination rejected. And I have been declared elected. My Lord, Your Lordship knows, certificate issued, I have the certificate with me. My Lord, in terms of the provisions, my Lord, the rejection of nomination is a ground for challenging the election petition. Section 93 clearly postulates that. If that be so, my Lord, the writ petition, according to my humble submission, not only ground of, my Lord, the process has been initiated, the ground of challenge is akin to, my Lord, election petition. So that, my Lord, on the ground of 92 and 73, the petition is not maintainable. Apart from that, my Lord, on 20th June 2023, Your Lordship has passed an order relegating this matter to the authority concerned. Your Lordship can look into this.
I have passed other orders also. 21st of June also, another order has been passed. No, not contradictory. Facts are different.
If Your Lordship can peruse your 14493, may I hand over my phone to my...
No, your phone is not required. I am aware that I have passed orders. Not only passed orders, I have rejected petitions also.
Yes. So, my Lord...
But then in this case, the petitioners, as is the submission...
I have not been served what the case made out here.
The submission is that the petitioners were... had to go to the center for filing the nomination paper upon police escort.
That was directed.
Right. Yes. Thereafter, they could not file it. They were deliberately restrained and obstructed from filing it.
So it's a disputed question of fact. I am saying this is no such incident took place.
Mr. Basu, the ground reality is something completely different. We are
in court of law. We can say what is not in law.
Thing is this: if you use the ground reality versus the law, then what is to prevail? Certainly the law will prevail in court. Certainly.
Yes.
But at the same time, we have to see as to where the law is applied. You cannot apply the law sitting inside glass rooms.
Certainly not. But I am
You have to
submitting-
come out. The persons could not file the nominations. They approached the court.
Right.
The police was
Without implementing
directed.
party.
Police,
Without implementing party.
he has
Today-
to implement the world as a party
No.
in this case.
So far as this petition is concerned, they know I have been declared elected. So today, if your lordships entertain this application without implementing me, my right goes.
What is your right? Right to be elected
Elected.
uncontested.
But that is law provides for that.
Your right.
Law provides for that also.
This is a type of competition. You cannot expect that nobody is going to compete with you.
My lord,
Can you? You cannot.
There is, my lord, no, there is a provision for ex parte order also. So here, my lord,
Yes.
rightly, wrongly, my competitor failed to compete me. And that's why I have been declared. Certificate is there. Today, my lord, by this process, my certificate will be nullified.
Yes.
Take this certificate. Can you see this is the certificate?
Our-
One certificate I can hand over to my lord.
Yes.
Our name,
I have been declared.
What?
Which one is this?
our name canvas, although my senior is there, but due to miscommunication, my lord, our
no.
name canvas in the website on 20, my lord. Thereafter,
Which one?
suddenly
I have-
vanished.
But what Mr. Basu is submitting is really is advocating a fraud on statute. If the statutory authority
I said
does
there
not
was no
discharge
obstruction.
their
If I say
function
there is no
according to
obstruction.
statute, then it's a fraud on statute. That it vitiates everything.
Has to go.
We don't have to wait for
Okay.
election petition. Article 210 says only extraordinary power in extraordinary situation that was said by the Supreme
It's
Court.
a question of fact.
No disputed question of fact, the basic
Yes.
fact.
I said there was no obstruction.
Our
Had
name
there
is-
been
that-
no obstruction on the earlier
Police
occasion, the court
protection.
could not have passed order granting police protection
That is in the-
for filing of nominations.
Bashir Hat Lordship
Some
has
other
passed
case.
that.
After scrutiny
No,
of
not other case. This
But-
case. This matter also.
This case
after
also.
scrutiny of our name,
This case also.
My lord has directed. So they reached there by police escort. So that part is over.
That part is over. They filed their symbols. That part is
after
also
scrutiny our
over.
name also.
The scrutiny was over. They were eligible. The list was published. They were eligible.
Their
All of a
website.
sudden, the final list, their name is not there.
Can my lord decide
After-
today whether the real ground is that either they have reached there or he has
No, no,
not
everybody
started.
reached there. Had they not reached there, then this scrutiny and everything could not have been done.
No, I for the time being presume that is wrongly rejected. Law take his own course. 9370 is clearly.
This is
my lord,
not wrong. This is deliberate. Wrong is something else. This is deliberate.
If deliberate wrong is also wrong.
No, deliberation is not wrong.
That has to be decided by a court of law. But if your lordship kindly
Well, let us
see,
participate.
see, two grounds.
Let them go to court.
If your lordship kindly, my lord has the act. Kindly see two grounds for them put it in the period. Kindly come to 73.
No, these provisions were placed repeatedly.
Yes.
Miss Sinha is there, Mr. Mahathir is
Lordship
there.
give you one chance.
Repeatedly it has been placed.
Chance if your lordship kindly give.
Just
I will take 1 minute.
just see the crowd inside the court, all for election petitions. In fact, nomination was not rejected. The candidate was rightly put up in the list of selected candidates who had put in
Yes.
their nomination, but thereafter it was
Yeah, but
rejected.
I have been declared, my lord, elected. It necessarily means that others' nomination has been rejected because prior to election there cannot be
Which
declaration.
constituency is this?
My lord,
Bhangot.
so if that be so, my lord, this is
Only
ground
one-
of rejection.
one
And
minute.
suit is maintainable.
1 minute, 1 minute. Is only one constituency involved?
Yes.
Here,
Bhangot.
Bhangor.
Bhangot.
And this one is from Bhangor.
Bhangot.
Because
Same.
Bangor.
Same,
I
same.
don't know who is challenging, but I have bunch of selected candidates who have been declared election. And now this process, my election which has been declared correct has been to be nullified without any due process of law.
Go and contest, get the people's verdict.
Then, my lord, the law should be scrapped. I don't know which election is challenging, but I have a bunch of elected certificate.
Here also there are a bunch of petitioners have
Yes, I
come.
don't know.
From-
Though I have not been made a party, I am a selected candidate.
Then
My kindly record my submission that I want to be added because we have been declared elected. I don't know what the petition about, who has been made parties there, in which constituency it has been decided. So unless I am
Constituency is one. Bhangor it has been said.
all for different constituencies.
No, Bhangot.
Different
Bhangot.
GPs.
Bhangot.
Bhangot.
All Bhangot.
Bhangot.
Para 2, my lord. Para 2 is specifically stated.
Constituency means panchayat, several gram panchayat. I don't know which one I have to defend.
Very
Within the Bhangor block.
tomorrow in
My
that.
lord, we'll pass
My
the
lord,
order.
the nomination center is one, that is Bhangor. We want to go to file nomination in Bhangor video. So that's why, my lord, that's why, my lord, that is constitute a homogeneous class, my lord. So to go to the Bhangor, we are obstructed. That's why they are